Hey guys, it's Aloysius for CanBuyNow.com and we're taking a look at the new Apple Watch Series 8. And the Series 8 we're getting is actually the midnight aluminum case with the midnight sport band. But because I'm not a fan of the sport band, I also got a sports loop. Just do it. Okay, let's open up and take a look inside, shall we? If you never opened an Apple Watch box before, it's actually really simple. There's not a lot of plastic to deal with. In fact, it's just opening these two aside. Then, ta-da! You're in. Oh, so nice. You actually get a very nicely packaged Apple Watch, and the main bulk of it is actually inside here. Okay, you can see. Nice, right? I'm just gonna put this here. And also you get a sports band, but again I prefer the sports loop, so we'll use this instead. Okay, so I'm just gonna, and this is just fluff, but it's really nice fluff. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside. And here's the main Apple Watch. Yes, and here's what it comes with. And of course you also get this piece. Yeah. Right, so we're gonna open this first. So here's actually where the plastic bits come in. You see this? You need to peel this open. Just pull from that. I hope I done it right. And then you gotta do it on this side as well. See it? Okay, and that's it. We're in. Alright. So here's the first look at the new Apple Watch Series 8. And okay, so Apple usually packs it very nicely inside this little small compartment, which you can see here. Very nice. And we're just going to take it out. Yay! Okay, and we're going to put this here. And what else is in the box? Some papers, a manual. There you go. How to use this. Yeah. Very simple. And a fast charger. Ta-da! So the watch actually supports fast charging, but you need the one that comes bundled with it. Okay, and that's really it. We'll put this back here, and I'll put this on top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the middle. What we're going to do is we're going to open the sports band. Sports loop. Yeah, sports loop, the Nike sports loop. Okay, plastic, just need to peel this. Simple. And then it just opens nicely. Just put this here so you can see this. Ta-da. And inside there's paper, don't need that. And hey, this is nice. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Oh, this is a very nice color, and maybe it will motivate me to do more exercises. Okay, so that's up. Just gonna keep this nicely and put it here. Okay, so here comes the easy part. Band here. Notice the black lines, that's always on top. Push it in. Okay, here's a nice click. And you're in. There you go. Okay, we're just going to turn this on first. Oh, it's turned on. Okay, so we're going to turn it on, and then you'll need to bring an iPhone to scan it, and then it's done. And so that's the new Apple Series Watch 8. Check back soon for our full review. Bye!